taught me that shiny things are valuable. So I've been chewing on the edge of this monitor.
You too.
Is that a hand coming? Huh. It's playing with that small wicker orb. Wait, is that the orb of the lost village? I've heard great treasure lays inside this. Oh, hey, there's a sunflower seed here. Are there any more sunflower seeds in here? Because I do really like, oh, yeah, sunflowers. Okay, what's more? More! Oops. Okay, back to business. How do I get these things out of here? Fling it out. Well, that worked. I don't really know what I did there, but I have a sunflower seed. So it seems like if I just toss it around the whole bunch, like so, there, sunflower seeds come out. So tossing is the thing. Toss. Oh. Okay. But maybe if I open it up a little bit more, I wouldn't have to toss it so much. If we could just chew this one piece open. Okay, well, at least some seeds are still coming out. Can't decide between tossing and chewing or just. If I could just reach my beak inside of it, I could have all the sunflower seeds. And now I'm sending them flying across the room. Okay. I actually think flinging it may be the best thing. Seems like when I fling it, seeds come out. So I'll just keep with that technique. For some reason, picking it up and tossing it is not working so well anymore. Maybe it's out of seeds. Maybe that's all there was in that orb. But I want to believe that there's more. I have to. Oh my gosh, there is more. Oh my gosh. Okay. Time to get to work. After I eat, of course. Okay. Anything? Nope. That fling did not work. Okay, I barely flung it that time, but I'm not complaining. I'm definitely not complaining. Ooh, that was kind of cool. It like rolled a bit. Maybe I'll just eat the crumbs. No, I want more. Ooh, two for the price of one. Okay, flick, drop, flick, drop, flick. All right. I think I've got a pattern here. This seems to be working well. Flick, drop, flick, drop, flick, drop, flick, drop, flick. Oh no, is it empty? Oh gosh. I don't know, all these drops and flicks and nothing's coming out. Come on, never mind. Sorry, one did come out. I forgot to mention. Okay. And roll. Alright. Got a couple from rolling. Roll. Don't really know how to roll without flicking. Is that it? Is that really it this time? I can't. I don't know if I can handle this. Okay, maybe if I just keep flicking, if I keep flicking, more will eventually come out. It seemed like it was an infinite font of sunflower seeds. You know, and that one piece, like I said, if I could just chew that off, I think maybe more would come out. Maybe if I just keep doing it. For goodness sake. It's the orb of the lost village. How can it be empty? Make sure you subscribe. Back to Train the Mind.